Welcome to the AW Services YouTube channel. Renault Trafic 2016 DRL side light bulbs. We've been here before. My bulb changed one, then another goes. I thought I'd do this video because there are a few people within the comments of the previous videos that have inherently struggled to remove these capless lamp holders. This is the 580 twin filament daytime running lamp bulb. This one is in my Renault Trafic 2016 business model. I thought I'd show you this because for those that struggle to get these out, they can be quite troublesome. The older they are, the harder the plastic gets. But when this sits in the lamp holder, I'm trying to film this as best as I can. It's easy to make videos, but sometimes it's very hard to show people detail, and detail makes context to a video. So this one's for you, the people out there that struggle to get these out. I hope this video helps you. So with this lamp holder, as you can see on the rear, I'm trying to film from, I'm on the driver's side, so it's harder because I've got a flipping big lump of plastic in my way and I'm bending my arm dyslexically around a hole. But these are the two tabs, one here and one here on top of the lamp holder, that you need to pinch in. Because the wiring loom is crimped and it's formed in such a way with like special spade terminals within the moulding, if you can pinch these two ears, you can very gently with your finger hook it onto the back of the wiring loom and pull on the wiring loom, and this should slide out. You don't want to be putting silicone spray or WD-40 anywhere near these lamp holders, because if you contaminate the glass of the lamp, they will explode. You can also contaminate with the heat and the oils and such associated, like silicone spray, WD-40. You can contaminate the lamp assembly and reflector, which can damage that. So you can, if you're desperate, just a very tiny smear of Vaseline on these ears. Also a hair dryer. Don't use a propane or butane heat gun. You can use a hair dryer. You could heat this up slightly and you may find it might come out easier. But my best tip is just try and squeeze the two ears without using any tools whatsoever, and just gently pull on the wiring loom in a straight, clean out fashion, and you should be able to change the lamp. But they are troublesome for those that haven't experienced how to change these, but once you've done one, you can pretty much do them all. They are very easy to do, but for newcomers that struggle, it isn't easy, and I appreciate the struggle. So those are the two ears. I put my hand behind so you can see. Ear there, ear there. You pinch them in while trying to pull out. So if you can get two hands down the back, pinch the two tabs together and gently pull on the wiring loom. And with the Renault Trafic, this is the driver's side, so you've got this big cross member here beside the washer fluid reservoir. You've got to bend your hand down the back. You can undo those and remove that quite easily to access the rear. And the lamps again from Halfords. I wouldn't recommend Halfords because I don't really think their lamps are any good. I don't know who they're manufactured by, but try to buy Osram, Bosch, or anyone really other than Halfords brand. But if you're desperate, they do the singles as well. Halfords 580 twin filament, 21 by 5 watts, and they are what you need. But I hope that video helps you. Subscribe, support the channel, help it grow. Press the bell icon for notifications when new videos are published. I'll put a link for this in the top right hand corner of the screen, and also check the description for the previous videos that I've made. But thank you for watching AW Services.